So I just stumbled upon this project called Adventure Voter, and it's like turning presentations into interactive stories.
Wait, seriously. You mean people can vote on what happens next in a presentation? That sounds wild.
Exactly, it's like choose your own adventure, but for tech talks. Audience votes through their phones, and the presenter adapts in real time.
That's super engaging, but how does it actually work? I mean, what if someone votes for an option that's not ready?
Great point, the presenter writes the whole story as markdown files with decision points. If an option isn't ready, they just don't present it.
That makes sense. But does that mean the presenter has to think on their feet a lot?
Totally, it's like improv. They need to be flexible and ready to follow whatever path the audience chooses.
I love that. It must keep things fresh. But what happens if the audience gets confused?
Well, the voting happens live via WebSockets, so results pop up instantly, keeps everyone in the loop.
Okay, that's impressive. But wait, what if someone's phone dies mid-vote? Are there backups?
Good question. The interface is designed to show real-time results, so as long as one person votes, it's fine.
So it's like a team effort. That's pretty clever. But what if the presenter isn't so tech-savvy?
The setup is pretty straightforward. Users just run it via Docker. It's meant to be accessible even for less techie folks.
Speaking of accessibility, how does it handle security? I'd worry about random votes messing things up.
It has optional presenter authentication and is designed to run behind a reverse proxy for extra security.
Oh, that's reassuring. But you mentioned it's still in heavy alpha. Are there bugs?
For sure, the creator admits it's not perfect, especially with the front end, but it works well enough for an alpha.
Still, it's exciting to see someone experimenting. Any fun use cases you've thought about?
Definitely imagine workshops where participants direct the flow based on their interests. Engagement skyrockets.
That's true, but I wonder if it could lead to chaos. What if everyone votes for the craziest option?
That could be a risk, but I see it as a chance for creativity. It could lead to hilarious outcomes.
Right, but there's a fine line between chaos and clarity. What if the presenter can't handle it?
That's a real concern. They need to balance the fun with keeping the presentation on track.
Absolutely. What about the content creation? Is it easy to write these interactive stories?
The content is structured in Markdown with YAML front matter for decisions. It's pretty user-friendly.
So even if you're not a coder, you can still create engaging content. That's fantastic.
Exactly, it lowers the barrier for creativity, but it does require some planning up front.
True, and I guess they'd need to anticipate what the audience might find interesting.
Yes, it encourages presenters to know their audience better. It's a whole new dynamic.
That's fascinating. Do you think it could replace traditional presentations?
Not entirely, but it could definitely complement them. Imagine hybrid formats mixing traditional and interactive.
I can see that working. It adds a layer of interaction that most presentations lack.
Exactly, plus it keeps the energy up. No one wants to sit through a dull slideshow.
Right, and after long days at conferences, this could be so refreshing.
Totally, and it taps into our love for storytelling. Who doesn't want to engage more with content?
I'm curious about the feedback from people who have tried it. Has there been any?
The creator shared some excitement about initial tests. People loved the unexpected twists.
That's awesome, but I wonder how to handle negative feedback. It could be tricky.
True, but constructive criticism can help improve the experience. It's all part of the process.
Exactly. And who knows, this could pave the way for more innovations in the presentation space.
Agreed, just think about how this approach could reshape education too. Engaging students is key.
Absolutely. It's all about interaction and making learning fun. That's a game changer.
Right, so I guess the big question is, are presentations ready for this kind of adventure?
I think they could be. It's just a matter of finding the right balance between fun and information.
Exactly, and Adventure Voter might just be the tool to lead that charge.
Absolutely. I can't wait to see how this evolves and what people do with it.